Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Wise application on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Google Play Store on your device and then tap on the search box and then type in Wise and start your search. Once you find the Wise application, tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Wise application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed. And when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the Wise application on your device right away. Once you open up the app, you can proceed with signing up to create a new account or logging in to your existing one in order to start using the Wise app on your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Wise application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.